how we can make AI more empathetic, accessible, and effective. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amit Gupta and I am delighted to be speaking at the ATTD-ASIA this year. As we stand at the crossroad of technology and the human care, I believe it is time to redefine how we bring artificial intelligence into diabetes management. Not as a replacement, but as a true partner for care and as a true partner to empower our people with diabetes. In my session at the ATTD-ASIA for People First AI for Diabetes Care, I will be exploring that how we can make AI more empathetic, accessible, and effective. I will share how human-centered AI can enhance outcomes while we preserve the most important elements in medicine, that is the human touch. So I invite you to join this important conversation at the ATTD-ASIA where innovation meets compassion. Let's explore how technology can help us care better for our patients. See you there. Thank you.